Hello guys, welcome back to the software testing tips and tricks channel. So when I started testing, I started with testing Android applications. So that was the time when I didn't have Android phone and I just started learning Android as well. So I got my first Android from the company where I was working. So that time I was not aware there are different companies and manufacturers and OS different OS in Android and all. So I just test one thing and keep mark as tested and close that thing. Then I realized like Android has so many types of screen size, tablets, mobiles, and then I came across uh, the iPhone, iPad, and desktop screen sizes. So we have so many screen sizes across globe now. So if you check in your house only, like if you are with friends and all have different screens size phones. So for now, UI developers has really tough job to keep track all the screen sizes and make a flexible UI set so that it will work in all the screen sizes. So to test that is like more toughest. Like you don't have all the screen size phones or tablets in house, right? So for specifically for web apps, you can test in different screen size with browsers. There are predefined tools which you can use. So let's go through our blog only. So this is our blog with so many bugs. So we saw in previous videos as well. So to test this in different screen sizes, so I came across some free tools. One is Responator or Responator. I can't pronounce, but you just need to enter your URL here. Press go. It has some predefined screens here. So you can like this is mobile screen size. This is in portrait view. This is in landscape view or what's and this is in like Android Pixel 2 landscape. This is portrait. So this is iPhone 6 to 8 portrait. So they have some directly predefined sizes and you can test your things here like on that screen size, and it has mentioned like this is it, but you can't have like more control. Like you can open one device and you can do whatever you want to do, but you don't have much control. You just test that in that screen size like how it works. Okay, so this is first tool you can try. If you don't have more requirement in screen size functionality, just you want to see like how it looks in different screen size, then this is good tool. So I will put these links in video description as well. Other is this blue tree. So blue tree is have some more features. So you need to put here this one. So when you put URL, it has by default that iPhone 5 or selected. You can select like Samsung, Galaxy or whatever screen size you want, and you can test on that. So Google Pixel most used device in Android. So you can try this. So here we have iPad minis and you can use other tablet sizes as well, or you can rotate as well from here. So how it looks like, you can refresh, you can have custom screen size with width and height, and you have desktop, mobile, tablet, whatever screen size you want. So this is full desktop size. There are tablets, so you can use like how many tablet menu, but it has like predefined resolutions, and you can rotate and you can use this. So most useful tool I am using is Chrome developer tool. So this is default, like you have to do function F12 to open this, or you can right click and inspect, so this will open. So I had already made one video with all these features that it provides. Other feature is I missed, or I keep it for later video, is like this screen size. So here you can provide custom screen size, and it will give output with this responsive URL. You can have 100% as well, so it looks 100%. 1024, so you can have different resolutions. Now you can have some predefined devices like Google G4, so you can have latest devices here. Even you have Galaxy Fold here. So you know, right, this Fold device is like in trending, and it is creating issues because you can actually fold it. So it should support that way. I am not, so this is how you can fold this or unfold this. So it has that option. So fold and unfold, or then you can rotate in both, like folded way and unfolded way. So this is so many options here. So this Galaxy Fold devices are currently in trending, and you have some other devices, iPad and iPad Pro. Like this is most used tablets across the world. So you should support this your websites on this as well. So you can check iPad. You can have some like menu open and try to rotate, so that like if some dialog box is open, so it stays there or not. You can check with rotation, without rotation. So these are the all test cases you can create. If you want more devices, you can go to edit. So when you from here, like when you click edit, you will open this device tab in settings, and these are the all the emulated devices. So you can have Galaxy Note 3, BlackBerry Playzone, whatever you want extra. So if you want to test on so many devices, it has predefined, or you can add your custom device as well. You have to add device name, device pixel ratio, and user agent string for that device. Like, and then you can provide brand, version, OS, everything, which platform it is, attachment, device model, everything. So you can create your own device as well. So it provides so many functionalities here for adding devices. So this is what you can do here. A mid-tier mobile, low-end outlets, and this is like fit to Windows, adjust window size. That you, this is like just browser. So only issue with this virtual devices on the browser is uh, the actual tab you can't do. Like whatever you are doing is laptop clicking. So mouse clicking events you are doing, you are not doing that actual tap that you do with your finger while using these devices, right? So you need to take test that in actual devices only. There are few paid virtual labs which provides actual devices where it works like using actual device only. So you can use that, but for like UI testing, mostly like how these elements look like, how this image and aspect ratio looks like, right? For this you can use these devices and test on different sizes. Mostly I test on iPad, iPad Pro, and few like Pixel devices and iPhone devices and Galaxy Fold. So it will sum up pretty much UI thing. Like you can test all the UI, how it looks like on those devices. So that's it from this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friend. This will be great help for me. And if you want to connect on social media, I have provided link in the description. You can connect and enjoy our software testing memes as well. Yeah, so thank you guys.